blackmail us and to name us all sort of rubbish. Niger.com are very stupid people, and our people should stop sharing most of all their nonsense comment or most of their some nonsense write-up. Niger.com said that the Biafra supporters, who are Biafra supporters for God's sake? The people you are seeing are Biafras, not Biafra supporters. Niger.com, you are stupid people, you Yoruba bastard. You guys have to learn from all your stupid media gutter and all this nonsense. We are Biafras, we are not Biafra supporters. We are Biafras. I read recently where they said that Biafra supporters was doing this and this and this and that. Biafra supporters with IPOB. We are Biafras. We are not Biafra supporters. Niger data, Niger rubbish, Niger.com and all this nonsense media in Yoruba land. In fact, if anybody know how to, please, if anybody have their email address, please send me their email address. If it's to my inbox or to this, I have to write to them. I want to talk to Niger.com or whatever they call themselves, that they should stop addressing our people as Biafra supporters. We are all Biafras, we are not Biafra supporters. Do you see me as a Biafra supporter, you mad rubbish? You see my cloth? And you are calling me Biafra supporter or whatever? I am a Biafran, not Biafra supporter, you mad? What a rubbish nonsense. Okay, the English you read or the English you say you're speaking, you don't know it again? How can somebody, you are very pervert in your writing and you think you can use everything to pervert the restoration of Biafra. Niger.com, you guys have to learn from now. If you don't change your decision, and we have to start to address you guys very roughly. Niger.com, we are Biafrans, we are not Biafra supporter, you mad man. Because the owner of the Niger.com or whoever, I don't know, that dry bone moron. In fact, share this video to that guy if it know how to reach him, or please, if anybody have his email address or their email address, send it to me. I will go and check again and see if I can get to them and send them a message, because I only like their page and I'm not much interested. I did not have much interest about them. They should stop calling us Biafra supporter. We are Biafrans. You mad fool. You see somebody, you see me, you see my name, Ifanichuku, and you are calling me Biafra supporter. Are you mad? Am I Biafra supporter? Did I look, okay, am I a white man? If you want to say Biafra supporter, you can say somebody like Fanny Kayode is a Biafra supporter. You say someone like somebody, this Yoruba one also, is a Biafra supporter. Or if any you say any Hausa man, then you can say Biafra supporter. Or you see some white people, you can say Biafra supporter. Not when you see a Biafran and you are calling me Biafra supporter. Are you mad? If you guys think that we are joking, in fact, we are here in Europe and we must for the zoo. This is not what I have to say now. Mad media. You fuck Zebi. I'm very angry with all this shit. Biafra supporter. Who is Biafra supporter? Okay, you see somebody like Obiena Ochino, so you call him Biafra supporter. Are you mad? You don't see somebody's name by calling the person Biafra supporter? I'm fed up with all this madness. In fact, whatever the zoo think they can do, they can continue doing it now, but we are out there to jeopardize all their nonsense media. And we are here to fall, in fact, to tell them how it is, not as their right. Because during 1960, 1966, 1970, they were calling us rabble, and they labeled us rabble, and just like, I will use this opportunity to also talk to all this what do they call it, Niger Delta or rubbish that they are calling themselves. You Niger Delta, you are watching, if you watch this video, you see how Yoruba people are giving you name, you fool. You see how stupid, although most of them are, thank God that even the chief and many of our people are waking up now. We are not Niger Delta, we are Biafras. You see what they're saying now, that Biafra supporter. You want to call me a Biafra supporter? Are you mad? Am I Biafra supporter? Do you see me as a Biafra supporter? You bring that? You stupid. You see me Biafra. I am a Biafran. I am a blooded Biafran. And somebody is telling me Biafra support. Are you mad? Are you stupid in your brain? This is how they have been flashing us and be changing our name and giving us all sorts of names, and our people are there fooling themselves. Imagine one moron. If you come, you say you're a Niger Delta. You mad moron. You must stop all this nonsense. We are not Niger Delta. We are Biafras. We are not Niger Delta. You rubbish. You see how they are starting it now. Somebody is writing what do they call it? You are calling a Niger supporter. Who is a Biafran supporter? I am a Biafran. We are Biafrans. And you see our name, and you see our identity, and even you see the guide. You see everybody supporting the restoration of Biafra. Biafrans are here to get their freedom. You moron. If you think that we are only Biafra supporter, conduct referendum to us and see who is Biafra supporter and who is not a Biafra